Hello guys, now I will show how to fix iPhone 4S Wi-Fi. Look at this, here is the Wi-Fi and it is impossible to click. So now I will show how to fix this. We need a fan, just fan, and we must turn this and put here, right, like this, for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it shows like this. iPhone needs to cool down the unit, and we must turn it off. We must turn it off like this, because power button isn't working for this situation. So it's not turning off like this, and we must put this now in refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we must turn it on, and look at this, now it's working.